I was in an accident one time, and it was for changing lanes. The young lady that I took out failed to check her blind spot, and she signaled. She looked in her mirror, but she didn't see the car in the blind spot. Needless to say, we ended up in a little fender bender. There's three things you got to do when you change lanes. You have to do it in that order because there's a certain procedure. You let your signal run, and while it's running, you look in your mirror. Then once you've made sure that there's nothing there, you merge over and you're safe.
A lane change should be just a really simple thing. You have your blinker on, you look in the mirror, you look over your shoulder, and you did everything right, and you see that there's a vehicle there, well then turn your signal light off, go down the road, try again later. It's that simple.
Sometimes you could be doing a really great job, even though you have a signal, you're telling everybody what you're doing next. The other guy just may not care, and he might go in anyways. Before you know it, you're trying to avoid sideswiping a vehicle that's there. If an applicant approaches a right turn, there's a bicycle lane, and they're approaching, they have their signal on, they're just looking straight, they don't look in the mirror, they don't look over the shoulder, that is a critical error. If they approach a left turn, entering the center left turn lane, and they signal, and that's all they do, that before they enter, they don't look, that's another critical error. So those will automatically cause them to fail.
Any lane change requires that you signal, check your mirrors, and check your blind spot. This includes merging into another lane when your lane ends, leaving a curb when pulling into traffic, merging into a bike lane, or merging into a center turn lane.